And let's go ahead and try the cream cheese garlic bun na binigay ng BAKESTER. Ito po yung cream cheese garlic bun from BAKESTER. And every pack has 4 big buns. Okay, so I'll show you. So this is their packaging. It's plastic in the middle and it's a brown paper at the side. Huwag nyo na lang po sirain yung wrapper niya so that in case di nyo maubos, ma-reseal nyo pa po. Let's go ahead and taste it. Okay. I already washed my hands. So, ito po yung isang bun nila. So, there are 6 slices. Okay. And inside is the cream cheese. And, of course, there's garlic. You can really smell the garlic, guys. When we were in the car, I can really smell nakakagutom yung amoy niya. And it's really inviting. So, I'm gonna go ahead and try this out now. Maraming health benefits po yung garlic. Aside from yung mga sinabi ni Mameli na it's good for those with high blood pressure and promoting weight loss or aiding in weight loss. The cream cheese is really thick. Ito po, makikita niyo po. Yan, white area yan. Puro yan cream cheese. And the garlic is sprinkled on top of the bun. Ito, makikita niyo. The rough texture that you see here on top is the garlic. And you can also see some spices sprinkled on top as well. Masarap siya, guys. It's more of a garlic bread, but with a twist. It has sweetness due to the cream cheese. And of course, since there's cream cheese, you'd expect it has calcium. Masarap siya. Heavenly. Guys, if you want to try this out, you can contact BAKESTER. They're in Facebook and Instagram. BAKESTER online. These are their cream cheese garlic buns and it's a must try. It's really a must try, so you should try it out. In case you didn't know, garlic has a lot of nutrients: manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, and fiber. And it also has a decent amount of calcium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, iron, and vitamin B1. And it's very good for those who have colds because it eases the illness, especially if you have common cold. And also, the active compounds of garlic can also aid with what I mentioned a while ago, blood pressure. And not only that, it improves cholesterol levels and may lower the risk of getting heart disease. So it also contains antioxidants that may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. So, guys, those are not the only benefits that you get from garlic. So if you try this cream cheese garlic bun out, it has garlic. And also remember when Mameli ate the garlic raw, she was aiming for those benefits. Even if you don't want to eat raw garlic, you can get the benefits of garlic from this bun that I just took right now. And also you can also try the lemon turmeric tea that I also made. It's very simple. The ingredients are affordable. Purchase them in the nearest market. Subukan nyo, walang mawawala sa inyo. Hindi din kayo mapapahamak dun sa mga ingredients kasi organic silang lahat. So, I hope you guys enjoyed our video today from Tabuan Market to Kiot Pardo and here today at Lapu-Lapu City. Once again, my name is Margrette and I am the founder of Bisaya YouTubers Club and I wish you all the best and I hope to see you after COVID. Do stay safe and take care. God bless you all. Bye, lovies! Bye, iJuander!